one horror story I've heard is the arbitrator that was hearing the case was actually a partner in the entity that the taxpayer was representing. So he had a huge conflict. He did not disclose this conflict. And that ruling was eventually overturned because of the conflict of interest. But generally, an arbitrator's ruling is binding. Your other avenue that you could take is within 60 days of receiving the ARB order, you could file a petition in state district court in the county where your property is located, and we can file a lawsuit and go to trial and have a big show on this value. Now, as fun as that may seem, honestly, a very, very small percentages of these types of cases actually make it to trial. The vast majority are actually settled prior to trial. Usually what happens is the parties get together and they may discuss this value more. And if a settlement agreement is not reached, perhaps the parties have to hire third-party appraisers to go out and do an independent third-party appraisal. And then we compare those. And if it doesn't settle at that point, then yes, maybe we go to trial. But those are your two avenues basically for contesting that value further past the appraisal review board.